Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealth Academy with George. Today, I'm thrilled to share a recent trading victory where I made a cool $5,000 in just one day with Nvidia calls, and I'll show you how these strategies can work for you too. Stick around as I unlock the secrets behind successful options trading. Whether you're just starting out or an experienced trader, this video is packed with valuable insights. I will explore how major announcements, like Nvidia's recent earnings, can create significant opportunities in tech stock options. Here's my plan for today. First, I will provide a quick refresher with options trading basics to get everyone on the same page. Next, I'll give a detailed breakdown of my strategic execution with Nvidia calls. I will also delve into market timing and execution, sharing insights on how I timed the market perfectly. Additionally, I'll discuss risk management strategies to protect gains and limit losses. Let's start with the basics. Trading call options allow you to leverage significant stock movements without committing the full price of the stock. It's like making a small down payment for the right to capitalize on stock price movements before a set date. Now, let's break down the strategy. On February 22, 2024, with Nvidia's stock trading around $760, I identified a significant opportunity due to expected volatility from the upcoming earnings report. I purchased 79 near-the-money call options at $15.20 each. This type of option was chosen to maximize gains from even small price movements in Nvidia's stock. The total investment for these options was approximately $1,200, a calculated risk aimed at balancing potential rewards against the financial outlay. Nvidia's earnings were released, surpassing market expectations, which led to a substantial increase in stock price. Following the earnings announcement, Nvidia's stock price surged by over 8%, reaching $823 the next day. The intrinsic value of the options increased significantly with the stock price, jumping to about $78.20 each due to the rise in Nvidia's stock. I sold all the options the day after the earnings announcement, taking advantage of the peak in stock price to maximize returns. This timely sale resulted in a total return of approximately $6,200, netting a clean profit of $5,000, demonstrating the effectiveness of well-timed trades based on thorough market analysis and strategic execution. Risk management is the backbone of successful trading, particularly when dealing with volatile events like earnings announcements. For this Nvidia trade, I allocated $1,200, a sum I was prepared to risk, ensuring it was a manageable portion of my trading capital. Beyond setting aside a fund I could afford to lose, I employed mental markers. These are specific price thresholds I've predetermined based on the option's performance and broader market conditions. Unlike stocks, options don't typically allow for traditional stop-loss orders due to their complex nature, making these mental markers critical for manually managing potential losses and taking profits strategically. This method allows me to adapt swiftly to unexpected market movements. Reflecting on this trade, the key takeaway is clear. Success in options trading stems from thorough market research and precise timing. With Nvidia continuing to push boundaries in AI and gaming, I'll be watching closely for more opportunities. I hope today's breakdown not only informs, but also inspires you on your trading journey. If this video helped you understand options trading better, please give it a like and share it with friends. I encourage you to join our growing community by leaving a comment below about your experiences with trading options, whether it's with Nvidia or any other stock. Let's learn from each other and build a supportive trading community together. Don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Academy with George for more empowering content and ring that bell to stay updated with our latest trading tips and market insights. Thanks for watching, and here's to achieving success in the markets together.